I want to live my life fully. So I don't want to live a life with practically they affect me. To get it. Not gonna hurt you. Heavy life gonna bring you down. First of all, no be best of all. I want to live my life legit. So, hello guys, share the video, guys. Share the video. Share the video. Let's talk. We could talk about the Ayilala paper. Wanna share the video, my people. Share the video. Wanna share the video, guys. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video, guys, because whenever this life, my people, you know, if you just say I be daughter-in-law, iwa mudia very ona, awa tonoto awa bury me, awa bury me alive, and before they bury me alive, push my enemy reach there, I go just see, I go quiet. They go say, oh, quiet, husband, quiet. Now husband, mama, anything she talks, she's always right. But I ask, who go just quiet like that? Make it just die. My question is, if me die today, mena wuvena. This one, my husband, mama, they talk to. So, about the juju paper, we say they break off for her. The juju paper, I bet post them because me no get them. I no get them. No, if my papa family see what you they do, and they see record the way it go around for that time when it happen, everything, or they can't go decide to bring Ayilala paper for you. They moriye bebo kwe. Amagbe ni veye bebo ni. Or not person when bring juju paper for you. Now he go follow you, now he go stand that day. It no be me bring juju paper for you. But why coming on media now to say now me bring juju paper for you? Why all this? Why? Why you like to paint me evil? Why you like to paint me devil? Why? Because I marry your pikin, we just fall in love with each other and we date together? Na he kosa. Bi mi amobo wa we. Menu we gbe ma vie. We no gbe me we avie. And people will not believe I'm the one fighting you. But that is not true. My people, this matter, I just need to talk because if you see, I know they reply people. You see all these things where they happen these days. I just decide not to reply. But because now she, and when she talk, people, you know, people when don't know us go feel like, oh, you know her well. And they can easily believe her. But if other people they talk, you see me really not do me nothing. You understand? But if she talk and the mood when she take the talk, if you, unless you must be a wish not to believe what she's saying. If you don't believe what my mother-in-law they talk, you be wish. You must believe. But it's not nice. It's not nice. So this whole issue, my people, I don't feel they don't feel say make her quiet, make my enemy can't die. Because me ahunia, yeah, maybe I don't know if you will rejoice or whatever, I don't care, but everybody will die, nobody will not die. That is for sure. But if you want fight me with truth. You and your pikin now get this quarrel wey lead to today. And wetin cause quarrel? You person comment for your video say, madam, you dey bath dog. You not get work. You make a video and it saw the hell out of that person. Your son see that video. Your son watch am and quickly, because he get your password, he delete the video and he call you, mommy. No, they reply these people comment. If not, they go come, they insult you. Now from there, you log her out from your channel. Now they on start to the quarrel. My Irishan. But me and you just talk a day before. We know the quarrel. But today on media, it sound like na me and you dey quarrel. But it's also okay. I can't still bear am. Quiet na your mother-in-law. Na your mother-in-law. If you don't really tell, all right. But if you don't really tell, but she continue to pack lie. Or for anybody want to talk now, go say na she talk am. You continue to pack lie for my head. But you know, that day you make video, you say I not be bad person. But later, you come start, maybe you dey listen to people when they call for people video. You come they use that thing, they judge me. My people, not be me bring Ayelala paper, call for her. No be me. Kro wawe mona yo mo bambana. Morie Bayelala gwe me family. I have family. Me. No be me bring Ayelala paper. Okay? When you say you pick period, follow me, everything when you don't do for me, you never take me like a daughter. Hey, you marry on that now. It's not nice. Mommy, Emma, no matter the kind of pity mind you want people to have for you, but it's not nice. It's not. You know, I keep quiet. Number one, mommy, I know in social media now you are a Christian pastor. It's all good. I never doubt you. It's fine. But you never, one day, take me as a daughter. You don't want me, is all you keep saying. And I accept. I never insult you, neither if I fight you. But you call social media, you tell them, and people believe. But what did I do? I quiet. I use Pepe Body make video. I see you come outside. I need that, I apologize. I call you, you block me. Your son call you, you block him. We call your family. You say, Lila, you don't go agree. Until your picky packy load that come back to you, which you know. I don't know how that can be possible because you get to your children. Even though be me, take me aside. But to your children, they. That one, okay. Me and you never get issue. You do me something when it was, I forgive you. Number one, you carry me go native daughter, which that audio when you bust that day. Until today, you continue to deny, but you apologize also. And what did I do? I forgive you. Oh, you also tell me, say, oh, it don't pass. This one before when I don't know you, I forgive you. I get belle of last born. You travel from here, go Africa for my name. Say they don't walk where. Yeah? You go. As you go, I know they there. Now you still call your pikin for phone. You tell her, say, already fian gyoiba. Eve na baba de baba. Eve di tana. Eve di tana. Ina toge. Ina toge. Shop when you open with the lock. I don't know you. Your pikin never even come abroad. That's where I know you. We me wa mobo wa una. The crime in the may commit. When you just continue to the life of my head open, you pick period, follow me. Jesus. My God, for us with children, there. Why all this now? Why are you doing all this? Just for fame? Or you want people to insult me? I don't care if they do that. I don't care. But how can you sleep after all that? Why you love your hair? Una pique pa di leli me. You know what, your mom when I have 4 kids at home. Wow. You carry me go. Second, no, I not be second time. Oh. Your sister, I got mention name because why tell you a babe of a gimme. I why tell you a gimme. You not feel brief for me. Your elder sister, go Juju. You go Nigeria. You tell them my children. Now wish. They are like mother, like daughter. The story burst out. I still forgive. It's okay. Maybe you talk out with anger or whatever. It's okay. You talk and you never like them. But what they do for media today also show. Say you really, as you talk at that time, it's still there in your mind like that. But they never offend you, those children. They never. If not me, you know, like it's okay. But those children, when you want to come on here, they cry. And you know, they are innocent. You know. You say if bad person born or bad children born. I accept. My children don't get problem with that. Me don't get problem with that. It's okay. So, but why you continue to dey lie for my head up and down? Why? Eh? How many times when you don't carry me go juju house? You go come back again. Make I forgive. You come here that day. I reach where for buy ticket for you. When I buy ticket, I remember that one you hug me, say, Amana, oh my gele mana jojoma. Eh, guna your bora me. Bina we mommy no problem. Na re well me do na we call house. What have I really done? If you say me I dey wear one shirt for social media, I will do it for you. Don't worry. If you say make I dey rub igyomi bi igagwe, but can I have peace for goodness sake? Name will not be my own. You give me, I accept. But now you they draw me go juju here and there. Here and there. Now you they draw me. Even Mama Samson, your sister, tell you say, leave these people alone. You say no. You continue to do what you they do. But thank God, say you know God for media. I'm happy. But also thank God, may you know God after media. I will appreciate more. Also. Now you always they beat me. Umame genuya accept me one day. I did deal with your son when you call. When you say, I go so court. Yeah, I had a fear about you. Or when I were fear, who would they want fear? It's so we know who they go there, maybe no sunu. I had a fear about. I get belle. You come back from Nigeria, I see your door. When me and they talk, I don't know say he get my matter for mine. You give me name, Boo Boo the Boo Boo. That be name when you give me when you come back from Nigeria. I accept that name with all my heart. I begin the beer because I get belle. Now Boo Boo Babu one. Now they call people when get belle. I accept the name. But later, for me to find out, say, now native doctor say make you they call me Boo Boo the Boo Boo. So I go run mad. I go confess. But you call me that name, and I bear that name. So, you call me that name, I bear that name, follow you as I get belle. Because if woman get belle, then they call her Boo Boo, Babuwa, and all that. Oh, this thing when they show for this telly. Oh my God, what? Oh. These guys, let me change this thing. So, you come from Nigeria, 2016, I don't remember. I get belle for last born. You say na I be Boo Boo the Boo Boo. I can't the answer. I don't know what it dey. I don't know say na native doctor tell you say if you dey na Boo Boo the Boo Boo they call me for coven. Make you they call me like that. Say if you they call me like that, it go fit scatter our marriage. And when you go call me early in the morning, when I go dey bed, I go answer mommy. Lako. Call Boo Boo the Boo Boo. Me ye pagbe we mommy. Yeah, but where? Everybody know. Your family, they are aware. Yeah? Ihama, I was heavily pregnant of last born. I answered that Boo Boo the Boo Boo till one day, as the name no work, as they be talk, I don't know. You call me and my husband get argument. I talk also for live video also. We get argument. And that argument, you call tell me say, oh, did I even need to say all that? Don't hate a manner. Don't hate who I even need to tell. Man, leave all those one. But I never fight you. I not fight. Now you continue. You say until like close eye. Oh, what he may wound weke hewe. Vemi me. Be away. Be me away. The crime in the commit. The crime in the me wa commit. Which crime I commit reach like that? After all this thing, the thing can't open. As you tell your pikin say, I go soon cut it to everything go soon day over. Now your pikin answer you say, waiting one day over. You know, ask her if your wife dey there. If 4 days speaker, we dey sitting room, our old house. I know they do live video that time. I get belle, no they do live video. Now your pikin say, waiting you want fear, you can't tell her say na your wife. Now you say, mommy, don't try that. Now start to the quarrel. Now bedroom my day I hear when my husband call your uncle for London say, see what my mama they want do to my wife. Who go train my children? Why? Now this matter reach Nigeria. All your family beg you to leave me alone. You can't still say okay. You can't say you don't forget, you don't rest. But whereas you don't forget. We can't still start to the play. I can't still forget also. Mia. No juju house when you never carry me go. I never carry you go one. I never carry you go any juju house. Now you they carry me go. Even when you do juju come for God don't they save me for so many times. I remember when Papa came they do sorority. When you bring something for him. Now later I can't know say now the tea to be scatter us. But you convince my husband make he carry that water, take bath, spray her for house, for Bologna. Say me police not the pursue am for work. But he go police really do pursue am. But I be tell her make you not rub that thing. But you do am because na mama you want protect am. You say now what you know you take to protect your children. I never argue. It's okay. It happen like that. Now what you believe your normal parable. It's okay. But all this thing, okay, I find out that thing when you give my husband brick or house, when he himself think say, na help you take help her as you take talk am. Now what you be want to destroy our marriage. But that one we can still jump her past, it not still work. Everything when you don't do me, but you come jail me, you beg me. Mommy, this is social media. You beg me. If na me really offend you, why did you beg me? Why no not damage the train station and apologize to me to forgive? And I tell you I forgive and I really do. With all my heart. I really do. But till today, you say until you destroy me, until I close eye. But I come here today to ask, if you wake up, they tell you say, Jama First Lady die. You go get happiness, that? You go get happiness. Since the juju people not fit kill me, the obo, all of them. One person, 3 people you give me to. This one I not dead here. I not dead there. When your picky apologize, I accept apology. You also, I accept your own. I say make we move on. But you will never still come up for that place when we did. If anybody asks what it cause quarrel now, me and you no quarrel. We just talk a day before. Before you make video where your picky delete. Una call the quarrel. But today, now me, now come be the quarrel. They come on your picky. But I still not worry. Eh? You always accuse me they carry you go. Now you they carry me go. No be say now let me know. Your son know, all your daughters know. Even the last born know. She's also aware. Everybody, your uncle know for London. Your brothers from Nigeria, your sisters from Nigeria, Mama Samson, Mama Kebaz, they know it. The last time I talk with Mama Kebaz, now when I get belle, anytime I spend almost 5 months. How many months they take they born my people? Now I spend for hospital. Before I feel born last born. God stand with me. God stand with me. What do you really want? You say until like I go die. Now you go rest. If not, you go continue to destroy me. Just see this one when you talk about pad. Wow. Wow. Can you really hate someone to that extent? Not be me bring juju for you. My family, they also for social media. They see your videos. Okay? Now then, bring her for you. My name no day. I cannot bring Ayelala paper for you. I cannot. Amen. Eninero, post the paper, made the same. My name no, I don't get the paper. If not me, I supposed to get her here. Your pikin allow me do that kind of thing to your mama. But you just come out now, you just twist her. Every year, I made just day for my head. Why? Everything worry, oh. Not be say I dey worry. But the truth, only the truth, now I go set everybody free. Only the truth. Everybody know, your sister know, everybody know, you never believe what you claim on social media. I mean, we believe, everybody know. But since, I mean, what the person life for media like they do, it's okay. Now God, you say you they call. Okay. It's okay. But everybody will know, you know. Say, no be so. But all because of me. It's okay. God can still change anybody. You okay? Make we put on like that. But it never see end. See, as we still there now. That one not buy. All those juju round, they no fit do me anything. Now you say people fit do me. All this one no fit do me nothing. No. Or even though say 300,000 people. Leader EKG carry people video. When they talk about me, say I shit for body. I mean, you know, do me nothing. You know, it no stop me for anything. I go eat as I like, I go sleep. Because why? They just the guess. Nobody say they know. They know me. But you also, you go come and talk. You go come out. You go lie for my head. Remember wow. What be the crime when I commit so? Eh? Okay, even be Zegbe next year summer, would they go Paris to go holiday? And we don't want to work out with leg, no be train, no be bus. So make that time serious. It's supposed to be private, but it's okay. On the any big make any rockba. Any rockba. E morie bayela lagu, e moge yomo, e morie bayela lagu. Hey, Morie Gue. Hey, since when you come abroad, okay, now me just be the problem. Since when you come abroad, you say things not they good for you. Now me come be the problem. I don't even know you, but now me be your problem. You open store how many times they lock? I never know your pikin never come abroad. So how now me come sit down put? Everybody they always sit down for your problem. Now me they sit down put. Before now the rest people. Now me when I come, it can't be me. Why? Me amobo wauna. The crime in commit. Eh? They say make I apologize. I do. Do this one, I do. But you say until me die. But I don't go die. Iwu awa. Unless osalobwa. Ogata. Okay. Okay? I not go die. Hey, more your mom. If you are with alone, it's okay. Even though you say you open my toto for ground, you see inside, you get the way it be. I go accept them. I accept everything. But I beg, make a day. If anybody they talk for social media, or only I 2 million, men, I really don't care. Believe me. I don't care. If you see or I do them, I go you leave them. I don't concern me. But for you to say you now me was zenya. Now they ask because you block all of us. When we do apology, after we cut that live video, we call you, you block everybody. You say you go live video, they talk. Okay, continue to they talk. But talk the truth. You go say now the truth they talk. Okay, they bring a you say you never carry me go juju one day. You say you not do me anything. All this is so. If you reach there, do one with them. Me, I not dead there. Eh, morie bebo gue. I marry bebo gue. I not bring a juju paper for you. I beg. Now this one I can't beg you. If you say you pick part, follow me. Thank you. But me and you never be mama picking one day. You do this one for me. I know, no, I beg. Mama Joe, we don't stay for the same house. Eh? If anything, then when you go talk about, make it be true. Make it be true. Hey, all the name of for viewer to come. Viewer will come. If you get what they do for media, they must come. But then the manager, YouTube said by themselves they reduced your viewers. Sometimes you feel get 50,000 subscribers. Sometimes your day live video, 20 people go feed they watch you. Now YouTube will be where to be young so. Read about it. They also do it sometimes. Don't be saying a person fly put. It happened to everybody. Eh? Waiting me just do rich like that now. We may wahoo. Emori bebogwe. Womuvejogobo is confirmed and sealed. Also. What you really logo bokia. That one is sure. And anytime I told when I get belly for Kevin, for last born, that boo now you call me through art. Or TDT open say na native doctor say me they call me like that. Say na my name for Kovu. I bear the name follow you. What did they say go do me? No do me. Or till confession still come. I still saw your mommy why well. It's okay. Everybody still move on. When you want come here that day, you tell me, you don't forgive me. I feel come. I say, mommy, why you they talk like that? Come. Then you come. As you come, I really use my mind. Welcome you. But as you come out, it might be never here easy. If I got a live video, so people know they clean house. So you know me, we just go. Mamu we no. Say we just quarrel. Now we two quarrel. Mama quarrel. Nothing like that. If this native doctor tell you this one, another one go tell you this one. The other man for Abuja tell you this one. The other one go tell you this one. If I be wish, I know say you say you be no one born, but fine. God know also in that way maybe help. My yagba agwalu huo begeni. But you never come me wish that time. You trust me for my mother to help. Na agwalu huo ya. But I did. But then I was not a wish. I was not. I came here or mamere. I even here where. But what have I done? We are who? We are worrying what claiming victim. Everything you do to me, you will not put it on my head that I do it to you. Your daughter know now. Ejiro, you be woman too. Talk the truth. I know you. I know. We want a time. When they church. We want believe. It's okay. And you know, when the person like that they believe. I know. Say now you're waiting. You believe to be that. Continue doing it. It's also fine. She believe the same thing. It's okay. Everybody decide what to believe. Waiting to when they work for the right that they do. I know argue. But you also you are aware of all this whole thing. You they are aware. So are you also did the way she go call the turner for me now? At least make your mind do you tell her say you don't do now. You don't to her. Why you call the say now you don't to your mommy don't do? Still tell her like that. In as much she want to claim victim, in as much she needs people to say sorry. I want making osakukiane mila neme rurunia. Eh? Osakukiane mila neme ruru. What if you you say until I come, may I come up for this world? Would that be okay? Eh? I can't give me come. Who got 3 children for me? You spend a lot of money for my head. It don't work. Now you come out in public and I'm a wizard. I also accept. But they see the video. They are the one that take it. Amen. And the message you message, me mas you where? Me ma me jani la self. Imagine though. So now, if just tell me what you want. Well, what you wear, you don't want make I rub makeup again, make I wear yeri again, make I wear one shirt. I will do it for you. If it can make you happy, I will go ahead and do it. If you notice me now, I dey repeat my clothes. This shirt, I don't wear them before. Since now, all those will be the problem. I dey wear wetin I get. Because every day they talk and they get clothes full everywhere. They don't recognize the clothes again. Their wardrobe, they full throw away. Now, truth. It's okay. I dey repeat them now. Now they wear. They wear me knocking. What you say may I do again? May I not dey put your again? May I not make up again? Why when the me una? Eh? Tell your husband to say sorry to how? I don't understand you now. How you that one concern me. That one don't say yeah want you near ya guana. Person when they block. Person when they block. I don't understand you now. Person when they block. Eh la go where the record the video. Igwa low la na fianti now. If they nobody go for them, no they go for us. The uncle say make they do like this. Everybody don't talk to her. Pastor for Nigeria don't talk to her. Pastor Solomon, that one don't talk to her. All the family don't talk. They withdraw. They no fit talk again. He said that in life. I hear. It's okay, I hear. But I just want to explain. How can you go that far when we no mess? When we no mess? I don't want to go detail because nobody to explain to. I don't want to go. I just talk this one. I don't want to go. Eh? If you get any secret when you want to talk, memo a secret, but I moge your mohun. Eh, moge your mohun. La go. Who going to add this trend, eh? Who add this trend with the media? Continue to do it, but it did because it did not destroy me now, as you can see. I'm not destroying me at all. Even the people that are hating on me will come and click on the video. By doing that, they are helping me as well. They are helping my ministry. So, it not destroy me. La wo. I me do ini e morie bebogwe. Wa se va wa me wanini e morie bebogwe. E me eni me agaru we post e na dege. E me. You wait what someone and your popu wa winning no one. And when that person have both father side, mother side, and they are seeing it. Anytime we're walking, but you keep going too far. So maybe that's why they do that for you, but it's not me. It's not me. Eh? That will go. Every you know what Taloba, I don't know. I don't really know. Ah, God. Oh, I don't know. Imagine if I have here, I don't know how you can sleep. Who have here? I don't know how. I don't know how. Okay? So, now this one, I'm not talking for this or this. So I don't say they go say, oh, the one when I talk now, oh, first lady, if you not talk, they will carry a waka, they don't carry a waka. You know, me, una no know me. You know, they frigga me. I know they go read your comment. I know they go, you know, consign me. How many times you will see Regina Daniel come, they follow all of our comments. All of us never talked to them before. That one say now million they watch their video. They don't even care. So what am I welcome on me? If they want to carry the video, carry. But here they say no when we marry bebo gwe. We do tie no me add my own make they hot. But Emma, Tamia we a family or a family right? Mama family, papa family, na bring her. You say I be this, I be that. I use juju tie your pikin. And maybe now those what they call you for. If the family want me to just really kill me. If maybe I do on their behalf, they don't know. Me. Understand? So why you call they drag me inside now saying na me? Why? All the native doctor, that native doctor when he die for my name, he tell you say that one say he go feed one. That one chop money. On our way. On a kedowu. The native doctor die, life and direct. Una will not be strong native doctor. The other man say he know they do. That one still there alive now. He know they do. These people na real love, I beg, I know they do. When no, even na real, make they do one anyhow. Now what you want me rich, now you go rich. Now the one when you want me marry, now you go marry. But we may see Joe. It's okay if I die, you go come get us married. The one we say may marry. Anything you say make I go do. Do this one I go do. But today I just can't talk her now. Yeah, can't talk her now. Say, tell me the problem again now. Tell me again. But you come media. You say I lie for your head. Say yeah, I never carry you go juju. When be say when we settle everything, the family also know. They know say you carry me go, but everybody forget together. But you come here, they say God they look my God they look my. But you did that to me, crow. All your family they are aware. Everybody are aware. I forgive. The who go feel forgive that kind of thing. Some people go wrong. You know what where I had a fear give you. That one say me tell you say I did. I know that's what really they happen when me not know so. It na so correct take on that time. I get belly. Before I go see myself for hospital. God help me, they tear the belly, breathe the picky command. I see head carry command, picky see head carry command. I don't go born again. Because you have been telling me not to have children. Okbama say, Eva say, whenever I have children, I must have. How am I going to explain to you that I'm pregnant? When I marry, in my way tradition, I don't do this one. I agree. I don't do anyone at all. Yeah, I delete the video. I don't do anyone. But I'm a baby mama. It's also okay. Can I also be, if I feel get peace? Because if the rest people they talk, you really not get anything to do me. But if you said they talk, don't be say get what to do me. But talk her in a live way for people to pity for you. I am the victim, but you they claim victim. And you continue to they do me. But you know deep down you that God is not what you serve. Ha! But it no good, oh. It no good. It no good. Social media now they really like people with fake things. Anybody when want enter media, even though say you be babalawo for regret, when you are coming, don't make the mistake we make. Come in a transformed way. Try to be in a victim way, in a another way. Now why I believe you will try to be that way. Don't make the mistake. Or where they talk my story. Don't try it. Come and just pretend in another way. So they'll you all know say, oh, they'll believe you. Everything you do me, before you may forgive. I beg. You may do me away more be bogwe. Not be me give you. Okay, now that one I can't talk for this evening. Okay, guys. So I don't talk this video. I know say they go say, oh, you give people topic. You know, the topic not go last for 20 years. YouTube they last 10 years. People don't they here 15 years ago, 10 years ago. Patricia and Nemi don't they here for so many years. So you cannot live with this kind saga to how many years like that, and you come back use and reach YouTube office. You know they work. You need more. So if anybody want to, but it good make I talk my own math. Since in my who, you can't have women boy who. So I talk my own. The rest is make we leave her like that. Okay? Yes, but no, not lie. That one a Bible. But today, not be like that again. You not be like anybody can deny anything and go away with it. Maybe now that one make those who are doing what they do. I don't know. Yeah, Maya me suma. Yeah, Maya me yeah, man me video. So they don't now you are the here now say they give you. I know they there. So now it be that one. Eh? So now that one I get to talk to people. This video, I not make this video to play video, man. You don't claim make me victim, but I just want to know if you say me I do shit, me I just put me your right African German first lady. I'll just the wear and January to December. Since maybe now that one they finish the money or whatever, I go feel still do one. I don't owe anybody. I feel wear one shirt for how many years? Even problem. If not that one as I hear, no problem. I go continue to dey repeat one club. Nobody go come beat me. Okay. So guys, now what I get to talk with this one no be to play video. No be to play victim. I don't, because I like victim, I don't like to play victim. It no be to claim victim, okay? It just say I can't use and talk and say no be me give her paper because so what be more your own now. You know what be fresh in an echo with tie mori bebogue. Okay? Amen. No problem, Jennifer. Okay then. Bye guys. And that one now I can talk.